even have my head camera on yet. There's the first fish. What do we got? What do we got? It's a freaking catfish. Seriously? A topwater catfish. You can't make this shit up, man. I don't have any pliers. Oh, shit. I don't have any grips. I don't have any pliers. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Well, this is going to get interesting. Let's do this. 28. There you go. I just want to make it last. Oh! My first black drum. Hold that sucker up. I gotta get a picture of it.
What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. Sometimes I just gotta believe.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, God. There's something that'll have what
there we go.
What you need.
Morning, everybody. It's April 25th. It's about 6:45. Yeah. So, before I even put the head camera on, I was tricking some top water, and I caught a sail cat on top water. That's a first for me. Oh, I got some nice bait right there. Anyway, I discovered I don't have fish grips and I don't have pliers. So it's going to be an interesting day. I'm out here in Pineland. Last weekend, a buddy, my shark buddy Eric, was out here looking for sharks, and he said there were tarpon everywhere. So naturally, here I am. I know I got a dolphin over there. Funny, he didn't take my sailfish or my sail cat. So it's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna see if I can get a tarpon, at least jump a couple. I got lots of bait here. I mean, I got bait right there. I haven't seen anything roll yet, but I'm not in the proper depth either. I gotta go find some deeper water. But I'm right here at the oyster bar. I'm gonna spend a minute or two, see if there's anybody hanging around the oyster bar besides the sail cat, and then get a ladyfish, put it on the big rod, hopefully not get sharked. See if we can jump a tarpon or two. There's the first trout of the day. It's a decent trout. Jeez, I wonder what those are. I wonder what that is. Easy, buddy. I know. It's a nice trout right there, man. I'm gonna try, dude. Go. Run. Oh yeah. He didn't make it. Assuming it's another trout. And it's another little trout. Okay. Come here, dude. Come here. Oop. Self-release. I like that. Trout. Oh my, that's a beautiful trout, hey. That is a big trout. That's a beautiful trout. Oh. I got the size of that guy. Come on, get in there. Oh, really? That's a beautiful sized trout, hey. Hopefully he didn't swallow it. Oh, he did. And I have nothing to get that out. Because I have no pliers. Oh, dude. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Alright, well, he's not as big as I thought. He's 19. He's a 19-inch trout. Definitely not as big as I thought. I'm not even going to take a picture of him. Nah. Nah. But we'll do this. We'll do that. It's a nice trout, though. Right there. Beautiful trout. Get him in the water. Doop. He does a belly flop. Trout right there. Oh, he just spit at me. That was another nice trout, hey. There's some nice trout out here right now, people. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a nice trout too. That's a big trout. That's another nice trout, hey. Right there. You're more in the corner of the mouth, so that's good. I can probably get you with my hand. Just don't bite me. Okay? Deal? It's like in his jaw or something. I can't get, oh. Alright, there we go. Alright. This guy is 18. 18-inch trout, right there. Nice fish. Hopefully he'll be okay. Oh yeah. Swam away strong. That's a big snook. Oh, that's a big snook. Oh, that's a big snook. Oh. Yep. I gotta get him out. That's a decent snook. Oh. Oh, there he is. Oh, yes. I was hoping there was a snook in there. And there was. Alright, there's my leader. He's running towards me. Nice. That's a nice snook. That is a nice snook, man. Come on. There we go. Not a monster. That's a nice snook. Oh, yes it is. Nice. I just drifted a shrimp, a live shrimp, down that mangrove line. And boom. He just hammered it. She just hammered it. Right in the corner of the mouth. That's good because I don't have pliers. All right. That's a beautiful snook, man. Figures. Oh, dude. Did not like being strapped in. Come here. Come on. You are not cooperating. Not at all. You are not cooperating at all. Alright. Close your mouth. Cinch you up. First legal snook. I don't have a bag. And it's only 10:30 and I'm not going back in. So, guess what, my friend? You get to go free. Yes, you do. Beautiful snook right there, man. Let's put her in the water. Oop. I guess my anchor is not holding. And there she goes. Wind is coming from this direction. We have all this moving water against this deep channel right here against this mangrove. Right now I'm in 6 feet of water. So it's perfect. It's a perfect ambush point for snook. So what I did is I just started up there, cast upwind, and I just let it drift all the way down that mangrove line. And man, it is hammered. That's another little snook. Oh, where are you going? He's in my pedals. All right, there we go. A feisty little guy. All right. A feisty little guy. Nice little snook right there. Got a nice picture of him. Put him back in. What's this? What's that? That's a jack. That's a little jack. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. All right. Ow, 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 ow. Stop. There he is. There she is. There's my red. All right, dude. All right. Come on. Oh, he just woke up. Come on, dude. All right. All right. Take it easy, pal. Let's get this guy out. There we go. Nice little redfish. He's 21 and a half. Jen asked me to bring something home for dinner. So this little guy will be going home tonight. Beautiful redfish. Hey, he's spotless. He's a spotless red. No spot, no spot. I'm being told these are kind of rare. So now I feel bad taking them home, but oh well. I'll get over it as I'm eating it.